Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get free hosting from 000 or 000WEBHOST. So first you need to go to the website, that's 000WEBHOST.com, and now you want to create a free or get free hosting right here. However, there are some limitations. If you scroll down here, you can see that the free web hosting only works for one website with a limited SSD storage, no email account, and no free domain. So pretty like big list of compromisation right here. However, if you are a beginner, it's worth it and you get all the basic functionalities. So it's only free for 1 year, and you can go ahead and get a paid plan as well. So let's go ahead and create a free website. You sign up with the free web hosting. You can sign up with email or upgrade to Hostinger or log in with Facebook or with Google. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with my email here or sign up with my email. Now here provided in the sample. Okay, looks like my email is not working. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it. Okay, and once I'm in, I need to verify my email. And once I do, I have the free web hosting.